Renee,
Kayla?
we're going to put some lava rocks and some manzanita on these little wire. And I already started, and we just started with a huge rock.
And what are they for?
They're going to be for the birds.
Oh, okay, good.
The 20 or the 22 or 24.
So these are the lava rocks, and they already have pre-drilled holes that we did earlier.
Yep.
And you have manzanita with pre-drilled holes that we also did earlier. All right, girls, build us a bird toy. Make it fast. Do it fast.
Okay.
Tell us what you're doing.
So we will do a pattern or something.
Okay, keep going.
And the rocks are for them to sharpen their toes, and then for the wood is for sharpening their beaks.
Very good.
Ow.
So you're going to put some wood on there next. Let's see. Good job, girls.
Putting 2 lava rocks and a stick because we don't have too many manzanita sticks.
All right.
That has been chopped up.
Keep going. So it looks like they're getting a little ways up there. They got quite a ways to go, though, before they're done. So there you go, Renee. That's the way to do it. You're moving fast. Come on, move fast. So you're using lots of rocks there, huh, Kayla?
Yep, because we don't have too many sticks.
Use some sticks, too.
I'm using just 1 stick.
Very good.
I'm done with 2
So I see Renee's using small rocks and Kayla's using big ones. Oh, there's a small rock.
This is
All right.
actually the smallest one we have.
Okay. Keep going.
Okay, Dad.
You guys are doing an excellent job, by the way. These birds are going to be very happy.
Huh? And
Okay.
the camera is Ken, my dad.
Yes.
Tell them
Yes.
you can put the camera in front of you. Ready?
Good job.
Oh, that's 3.
You got lots of rocks there, Kayla. I think yours is about done there, Kayla. You need a little bit of wire left. There you go. Now bend the wire. Show us. Okay. Bend. Very good. Now pick it up and let's see what you got there.
I just lay it down on the
All right. Lay it down on the floor. Okay. So this is your bird toy. Very
Look
nice.
at Renee's.
Let's see. Good job, Kayla. Very good job. Let's see Renee's. Wow, Renee. Okay, Renee, very good job. Look at this. So now we have 2 very nice bird toys built by Kayla and Renee.
This is Renee.
Thank you, girls. Everybody wave goodbye.